decided this table needed an upgrade. So I've started by just adding these play balls on. Just hot glue them on there. There we go. Love these colours, they're so cute. And I'm just cutting the back of his skull so that he fits nicely. Time for a quick dramatic moment and we can stick him in. There we go. Lots of hot glue on this one. Add this little guy. He's so squishy. This guy needed a bit shorter legs to fit. And we'll stick him in there. And we're just going to fill the rest of the space with the foam balls. This helps fill up the space and keeps it nice and colourful. Little shakety shake. Now for the epoxy resin. Remember, wear a respirator and gloves. And we're just going to cover it with a lot of epoxy. And we'll just cover up all those creatures there. And once it's cured, we've got our very own fancy tabletop. Just found a great way to snazz up this boring cabinet using chicken wire. All you're going to do is dab on some oranges and yellows like so. And I'm just going to paint up these edges. I've gone for a nice pastel blue colour because, you know, it's cute and it goes really nicely with the orange of the honeycomb. And to make it even more snazzy, I'm using some honey-coloured UV resin. You have to be really quick and set it before the drips go too far. It helps if you do it on a slight lean. And there we go! Way cuter this way. We saw this amazing bread bin hack and decided we needed to make our own. Just putting a bunch of wood glue on the bread bin. Clean up that little bit there. Drill on a couple of base plates. I've gone for this light greeny colour. Maybe painting without tape wasn't best. That needs cleaning. Drilling on some legs. Yeah. And our pretty little bread bin unit is all sorted. And the doors slide and everything.
We are back with another bread bin cabinet. I wanted it to be super colourful, so I started with these rainbow stripes across all the slats, and then for contrast I painted the rest of the unit white. I repeated this process on a second bread bin so that they could be stacked. Once it was painted, I added these super cute little gold legs. It was a hard shape to get them all onto, but it worked out in the end. I then stacked the bread bins on top of each other and screwed them together. And as a finishing touch, to match the legs, I painted the handles gold. And here is my finished bathroom cabinet. I'm super happy with how it turned out.
Check out this corking new Ikea hack I came up with. These are the heat mats that they've recently made with holes in, but I thought I'm going to add a design with it. Cut off the excess bits because I don't need those, then use acrylic paints to add some colour to it. I've gone with a jar shape because I thought that would be really fun for the pins I have. Then add a little bit more detail, and once it's dry, add your enamel pins and it's done!